In the previous video, we discussed most of the properties of solids. Before we discuss the seventh property of solids, we are going to talk about stress. Stress is the ratio of an outside applied force to the area over which the force acts. Our equation for stress is applied force divided by area. In the English system, stress is measured in psi, or pounds per square inch, the applied force is measured in pounds, and the area is measured in square inches. In the metric system, the stress is measured in pascals, the applied force is measured in newtons, and the area is measured in square meters. Make sure that you have the correct units before you start dividing to find stress. One other thing I want to mention, in these problems, we are only going to solve for stress, not applied force or area. That is why we don't have an equation circle for this equation. Let's take a look at an example related to stress. If a 160-pound woman rests her weight on a 4 square inch heel, find the stress. Remember, stress is applied force divided by area. The applied force is going to be the weight force of the woman. The area that she rests this force on will be the area of the heel, which is 4 square inches. When we divide, this gives us a stress of about 40 pounds per square inch. Next, if the same 160-pound woman rests her weight on a 1/4 square inch heel, find the stress. This setup will be very similar to the last part, with stress equaling force divided by area. The weight force of the woman is still the same 160 pounds. However, now the area is only 1/4 of a square inch. Dividing, we see that the stress on the heel of this woman is 640 psi. If we apply any stress to a solid, it tends to cause a distortion of the shape of the solid. The percent of distortion is called the strain. In this picture, we see that if a force is applied to the center of the board, there is quite a bit of strain or distortion of the board. In the next video, we will look at 5 different types of stress.